Pixelverse is set to be listed on different exchanges like Bybit and Bitget on 18th of July this 2024. I know this is not a news to you guys anymore, but then majority are still finding it difficult to connect their wallet into the Pixelverse dashboard. I'm making this video in order to show you how you can connect your wallet into the Pixelverse dashboard and then to show you around what really matter and how you can get more Pix points for yourself. So if you really want to know about this, then you have to watch this video to the end. So all you have to do to get into your Pixelverse dashboard is to click on your name top here. So this will load up your Pixeltap dashboard for you, and if you check your dashboard right here, you will see your basic information which you have set up. And if you are yet to set your own profile just like mine here, you can just go ahead to do that. All these are not necessary or not compulsory, but then you just have to set it for yourself to look stand out. Then to get into your Pixelverse dashboard, just click on this dashboard right here. And note that in order for you to get this Pixelverse dashboard, it is very compulsory for you to have Pixelverse account. So for you to have Pixelverse account, you have to follow that link, or then you can just follow the link in the comment section below. To register, you just need your email and then make sure that you are the rightful owner to that email you are about to use. So here is my profile, and you can see my Pix point right here. And then if you are just a registered member to this Pixelverse, then you should probably have zero, or you have the welcome Pix bonus you get using my referral link. So let me quickly show you around before I show you the main reason why we are here, which is to connect our wallet into this Pixelverse dashboard. So here is my profile, and this is my avatar which I can edit and then some other information. But then let me quickly show you how you can get more Pix points. First thing you can, first way to get Pix point is by taking care of pets. If you click on that pet right here, it will load up your bot, or let me just say pet the way I call it. Then this is my one of my pet information. I have about 2 pets here, and the maximum pet you can get is 5 pets. So what these pets do for you is that you feed them every day, and then you use that to get more Pix points for yourself. So currently I'm on strike day 4, and then if I click on this strike right now, it means that I will be getting additional 4,300 Pix. So let me quickly click on that. So the server is kind of busy lately, so you might face some challenges if you actually want to access this right now. So, and if you have about 2 to 3 pets, you can just change it and then feed it accordingly. You can upgrade it if you want, but if you are just joining, I will be advising you to upgrade it as at now, because I'm very sure you are eager to cash out anytime soon. So another way to get Pix points is by completing some social tasks right here. If you click on that two dots here, two line here, you will see tasks. If you click on it, you will see some list of social tasks which you can perform. I have performed all this one that mark as green. It means that I have performed it, and then the tax has been verified. This one that still 50%, it means that I have performed it, but they are yet to verify it. And that's another way you can get yourself Pix point. Now back to the main reason why we are here, which is how to connect your wallet into this Pixelverse dashboard. Now we have like 4 wallets right here. We have OKX, Bybit, Wallet Connect, and MetaMask. I have tried to connect to at least 3 of these, but then coming back here right now, I see that all these things has been disconnected again. This is the error from Pixelverse dashboard, as the server is kind of load up right now, and you might encounter several issues while you are trying to load this up. But right now, I will just be showing you 2 wallet connection, which is for the OKS and Bybit. Don't worry about OKS. I know there is news that they will disconnect their service in Nigeria, but then that will only affect the OKS exchanges. and not the wallet connection. You know, wallet is decentralized exchange and there is no government power over it. So don't worry, you can still connect OKX wallet. You can still connect OKX wallet, but not the OKX exchange. So just take note of that. So to start with, I will be starting with Bybit. In order for you to connect to your Bybit, if you click on connect right here, you will get an error message. So for you to connect, you have to just copy this. So as you can see, we get error message, like I said. So in order for you to get this, just click on that share button up there and then use any means to copy this page link. And in my own case, I will use my notes clipboard and then just copy it. Then the next thing is to open your Bybit. Then on your Bybit, you will notice that we have Exchange and then we have Web3. What we are here for is the Web3. So click on that Web3 and then here, if you are just coming here for the first time, it will prompt you to create a new wallet. So create a Web3 wallet, use your passcode or password to create a new wallet for yourself. And in my own case, I'm creating a new wallet already. So after the wallet creation, make sure that you back up your seed phrase to ensure the safety of your fund. Then you have two options, either you back up manually or you back up using the cloud backup. So in my own case, I will be going with the cloud backup. So just back this up in any way that is more convenient for you. And then after that, you are set to go. So the next thing I would like to do is to customize this wallet by renaming it to what I can easily recall. So if you click on that wallet and click on manage wallet, and if you click on this three dots right here, you will see a place to rename your address. So in this case, I will be naming this Pixelverse. Now that our wallet is ready, it's time for us to link this wallet into our Pixelverse dashboard. Remember, we just copy a link from our Pixelverse dashboard on Telegram. So right now, in order for you to link this, you just have to click on this home button right down here and then scroll down to where you see explore the apps. So click on this arrow button here and it will load up this page for you. Click on this search the apps and then make sure to paste that your dashboard link here. Click on search and then this will ask for confirmation. So just give this some just give this some moment for it to load up and you will see that connect request and choose a network is requested. So we are to connect Ethereum and then just click on connect and this will load prompt you to register. Remember you have already registered, but then don't worry, just input the same email you used during the registration, and this is why it's very compulsory for you to have access to that email you used the other time. Remember I told you that. So now I just log in into my Pixelverse dashboard using my Bybit Web3 wallet. So now all I have to do is to come right here to where it say connect wallet and then I can now click on Bybit and then connect my wallet just like that. So with this now, I don't have to receive any error message for me to click on this link, and the only thing that I have to do right now is to provide the password that I used to verify this wallet. So now my wallet has been connected successfully. If you click on the wallet right here, you will see that I have a wallet address linked up to this dash wallet option. And that is how you connect your Bybit wallet address into your Pixelverse dashboard. And for the OKS users, remember it's quite almost the same thing since we are dealing with Web3 here, and Web3 process is almost the same thing across any wallet. So here we don't have much to do. Just make sure to download OKS already on your phone and then you create a new wallet as we did on that of Bybit. And then I think I have already created a wallet address before. So this will just synchronize all together and then this will actually be connected to my dashboard. If I come here You can see I have logged in and it has already connected. So OKX don't have much stress to pass through. All you have to do is, so these are the basic things you need to know about wallet connection for this Pixelverse dashboard. Then another thing you have to take note of is that some people are saying it is necessary for you to connect or for us to connect the same wallet with our Pixelverse and Pixeltap dashboard. But then I don't see any confirmation for that. But there is no crime if you actually do that. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is to copy the wallet address that display on your dashboard and then log into your Pixeltap dashboard. Click on your wallet and locate the wallet address which you actually copy from. If you use OKX, make sure that you copy the wallet address that is being linked to your dashboard. And if you use Bybit, copy it as well. If you use MetaMask, copy it as well. And then locate the same wallet here and paste it there. And it's as simple as that. So with this, I think this video is taking too long already, and then I will have to stop right here. And then the apology to the late response. And as you can see my voice right now, it's not that clear, but I think it's getting better, and I will see if there is a way I can edit it to be more clearer than it sound right now. So that's that about that. If you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course, follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.